Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. Today's tutorial is on this look right here. It's that really trendy yellow eyeshadow. I really like it. I was going to film another tutorial after this one, but I think I'm just going to do a skincare video or a hair care video or something because I don't want to take this makeup off. I really like it. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, how this look was created, the whole face, then please keep watching. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe and turn those notifications buttons on so you don't miss out more videos like this one. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my brows. I am using the e.l.f. eyebrow gel. This one is in the shade Espresso. To fill in my brows, I decided recently I've been doing like a hair strokes thing, and I'm going to switch it up and do them a little bit more heavy today. And then we're going to clean these bad boys up with some new concealer that I just bought. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me. That's like one of my all-time favorite concealers, and this one is in the shade Light. And the reason I have all these, I don't know if you can see them, little extra brow hairs down here, I've been trying to not pluck or tweeze or whatever my brows too much. I just kind of want them to grow out a little bit. Alright, I figured out what eye look I want to do. It's pretty basic, but first off we need to prime. I am using the same concealer that I used under my eyes to prime. Not under my eyes, under my eyebrows. This will be used under my eyes, but not yet. Alright, so the first shade I'm picking up is an oldie but goodie. I am using Peaches and Cream from Makeup Geek, and I am just going to kind of liberally apply this to my crease area. Done. Okay, the next shade I'm picking up, which is kind of going to be the star of the show here, is this buttery shade. This is from the JACLYN Hill palette that she made with Morphe. Okay, this brush is shedding and I'm not with it. Thank you. Thank you. And this is going in my crease as well. Kind of going for that yellowy brown eye look today. Go ahead and put it on your lid as well. Alright, and this shadow does need a little bit of depth to it. So the next shade I'm picking up is this one. Yes, this one right here. And what I'm gonna do with this shade is kind of tap it onto my outer corner. And then I'm picking up just a little bit of Peaches and Cream and, or no, actually I think it's Peach Smoothie. I don't know, I haven't used this eyeshadow in such a long time. Let me lift it up. Yep. Darn it. It is Peach Smoothie. See that? Pick up Peach Smoothie or Peaches and Cream if you have a color that looks like this one. It's pretty much just a flush tone. Perfect. So next up is the tricky part. I'm gonna draw a wing. This part is It's optional. I guess so. Before I draw a wing, I'm gonna go ahead and tight line. Oh. Please, for the love of God, tell me I am not out of this eyeliner. Yo, that is fucked up. I am. Right. New plan. Here's one that'll work. This one is well loved. It's worn down. This is a Lorac eyeliner, probably just in the shade black. Yep, black. So like I said, I am tight lining. Today, kids, my inner corner is going to be this shade out of the JACLYN Hill palette. Okay, alright, okay. For eyeliner today, I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is risky business right here. I think I'm going to do my left eye first because that's the one that's really hard because I'm a righty. For right now, I'm calling that good enough. What I'm gonna do next is mascara. I'm trying out this new mascara. You guys know how much I love my Lash Sensational from Maybelline. This is also from Maybelline. It is the Total Temptation. First impressions, guys. I actually really like how this looks. I'm into this packaging. I'm into the baby pink. I'm into the like matte finish. Okay, so I'm not mad about it. I do think, however, though, I still get more separation with the Lash Sensational, but I'm not mad about this. I mean, you guys can see my lashes are, there's a huge difference. I know there's also a big difference with eyeliner too on top of it, but not bad at all. Okay, so I think I am going to include my face in this video too. Not just eyes, because I do have a couple new like bronzy products here that might as well try out on camera too. Okay, and I really don't even know what's going on in terms of matching me to foundation. That's way too dark. And this NARS one is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation one. One of my faves. Next up, I am going to do a little cream contouring. This is a Wet n Wild contour stick. So I'm hoping that it's kind of on the cool tone side, because I feel like sometimes contour sticks tend to look really warm and orangey, so I'm just hoping that's not the case. I just picked this up today too. I got it from Walmart. This is what it looks like. It already looks really orange on camera. Do a stippling brush with one side and a sponge on the other side. Okay. Not bad. This is the real test though. I always find it harder with sponges to blend out like where my hair starts over here. I think I like the stippled side better for my cheek at least. I feel like I lost a little bit too much color here. This is going to be kind of hard with a nose at least, just because this is such a like a fat pencil. Gotta be careful. For the nose, I am going to blend with a brush. This one has the number 129 on the side. I can't ever remember if BH does like single brushes by number. Like this is 129, I'll link it down below. If that's the case, I will link it down below. And now that I have those initial lines semi-blended out, I'm just gonna go on with my sponge. Ooh, look at those bags, I'm so tired. So now that this, I kind of let this sit for a second. So now that it's been sitting for a second, I'll blend it in. And I am bringing it up the sides of my nose just to help blend out any contour that I may have missed. Next step is to set your concealer. I am using the B19 No Color Powder like I have been for the last freaking year. Nothing new here. Do you guys see? Is it just me or is my camera like blurring my face almost? I feel like when it autofocuses is when it happens. Like right now it's not, but right now it is. Right now it is. I don't know. I'm really excited to try this. This is a Milani baked bronzer. This one is in the shade Soleil. And Milani has the prettiest stuff ever. Like face products. Love their blushes, love their bronzers. Their highlights are really pretty. Mm-hmm. That's pigment, baby. I'm gonna keep it, again, super light and airy today with blush. This is again from Milani. This is in the shade Luminoso. For my face highlight today, I'm using Gilded Honey, because I feel like you can't go wrong with a gold tone highlight if you have yellow eyeshadow. For my Cupid's Bow highlight and my nose highlight, I'm actually going back into my JACLYN Halo palette, and I'm using the shade that I used on my eyes to highlight. You know what, maybe I'm going to save these because Walmart didn't have that big pack that I always buy. So I'm going to do the 615s from Salon Perfect. Okay, I'm not mad about it. So I need to go out and buy a new brown eyeliner, but in the meantime, I'm using this eyebrow product from Maybelline, and that's going to go in my lash line. I'm kind of going to get it in my lashes too. Picking up this same brown eyeshadow that we used earlier and just blending that along my lower lash line. Then what I'm going to do is just go over top of that with that yellow. Time for mascara on those bottom lashes. This might be kind of hard because this is a big wand. Okay, that wasn't so bad. All right, so for lips, I'm going nude. The lip liner itself is not nude, actually. It's kind of a berry pink color. This is the shade Baby Berry. It's by Jordana. I don't think that they make these anymore, and I need to stop using them. Like, I need to go to Ulta and get a bunch of NYX ones because it's stupid to use things that I can't link down below. For lip gloss, this is my new obsession. This is the shade Baby Doll. It's from Hard Candy. It's a plumping lip serum. And it smells really good. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I love it. I've been wanting to do yellow, mustardy yellow eyeshadow for a long time now. I just haven't had the motivation to do my makeup or to film it or really even the time to do any of that. So I'm really happy I got this done. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you would wear this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn that notifications button on so you don't miss any more videos like this one.